Deep in the mysterious wetlands of the southern United States, gliding silently beneath the surface, lies a creature older than the dinosaurs, stronger than a lion's bite, and smarter than you think. This is the American alligator, and today we're diving into 5 jaw-dropping facts about this ancient beast. Fact number 1. Did you know the American alligator is a living dinosaur? These incredible reptiles have been roaming the Earth for over 150 million years, surviving mass extinctions and ice ages. Fact number 2. They thrive in freshwater swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers across the southeastern United States. Their stealth in water makes them apex predators in their habitat. Fact number 3. The American alligator has one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom, up to 2,000 pounds per square inch. That's strong enough to crush turtle shells with ease. Fact number 4. Despite their fearsome reputation, mother alligators are surprisingly nurturing. They guard their nests and even carry their babies gently in their mouths to safety. Fact number 5. In winter, these cold-blooded creatures have a wild survival trick: brumation. They stick their snouts above the surface before the water freezes, allowing them to breathe while nearly frozen. From ancient history to modern marvels, the American alligator is a true symbol of survival, nature's perfect mix of power, patience, and adaptability. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting wild facts.